All Parties Hurriyat Conference has said that India's intransigence on the Kashmir dispute has endangered the peace of entire South Asia. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar strongly denounced Hindutva Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha's baseless claim that Azad Kashmir is an integral part of India. He said Jammu and Kashmir is a UN-mandated disputed territory whose future is to be decided by the Kashmiris through a plebiscite supervised by the world body. Political analysts have urged India to end its illegal occupation of Jammu and Kashmir and let the Kashmiris exercise their right to self-determination. They said Jammu and Kashmir has never been nor will ever be India's integral part, contrary to recent false claims by the Lieutenant Governor of the occupied Kashmir, Manoj Sinha. The analysts termed the statement yet another manifestation of India's leaders' aggressive designs, which remain a constant threat to regional peace and stability. Complete shutdown is being observed in Jammu today against the imposition of property tax in the territory by the authorities. Call for the shutdown has been given by the Chamber of Commerce and Industries Jammu and supported by several other groups. Shops and business establishments are closed in the region while the traffic movement on the road is very thin. The High Court Bar Association of Occupied Kashmir has suspended work in all courts in support of the shutdown. Chairman of Washington-based World Forum for Peace and Justice, Dr. Ghulam Nabi Fai, has said that combating of Islamophobia at the UN is a significant development. Dr. Ghulam Nabi Fai, in a statement issued in Washington, said, "One needs to acknowledge that the threat Islam is seen as posing to the world is imagined rather than real." A day after the Rajasthan police detained BJP leader Kirodilal Meena, party workers held another protest in Jaipur today. The protesters were led by the widows of Indian soldiers killed in 2019 Pulwama incident, demanding jobs for the families and other issues. Pro-Khalistan slogans were raised in Manali town of the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. The slogans were raised by the members of the Sikh community at the Chandigarh-Manali highway at the entry point of Manali. Hundreds of Sikh pilgrims, mostly riding motorcycles and from Punjab, visited a Gurdwara in Himachal Pradesh. The Sikh pilgrims refused to pay tax at the barrier at the entry point of Manali and staged a protest. They raised pro-Khalistan slogans during the protest.